Walk into any car showroom today, and you'll be met with sleek lines and modern technology. The air is filled with the scent of new leather and the hum of the latest innovations. Touchscreens, advanced safety features, and electric powertrains dominate the scene, showcasing the pinnacle of contemporary automotive engineering. But every so often, a classic beauty steals the show. Amidst the sea of modernity, it stands as a beacon of timeless elegance. That's exactly what happens when a Jaguar E-Type graces the room. Its arrival is nothing short of a grand entrance, turning heads and sparking conversations. Its presence commands attention, a timeless masterpiece amidst contemporary designs. The E-Type doesn't just blend in, it stands out, demanding admiration from everyone in the room. It's a reminder of a golden age of motoring, when cars were more than just machines. They were works of art. Each curve and line meticulously crafted, each detail a testament to the designer's vision.
The contrast is striking. In a world where efficiency and technology reign supreme, the E-Type stands as a symbol of a different era. Modern cars, with their sharp edges and aggressive stances, seem almost forgettable next to the E-Type's flowing silhouette. The juxtaposition is a visual feast, highlighting the evolution of automotive design. It's a car that exudes elegance and sophistication, a reminder of a time when design was about more than just aerodynamics. It was about creating something beautiful, something that would stand the test of time. The E-Type is a rolling sculpture, a testament to the power of timeless design. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history, a work of art on wheels. Imagine the sleek lines of the E-Type against the sharp angles of a modern sports car. The contrast is not just visual but philosophical, representing two different approaches to automotive design. It's a stark contrast, yet the E-Type doesn't look out of place. Instead, it enhances the environment, adding a touch of class and history to the modern setting. Instead, it stands out, a testament to the enduring power of classic design. It shows that true beauty never fades, and that great design is timeless. It's a car that transcends generations, appealing to young and old alike. For the older generation, it's a nostalgic trip down memory lane, a reminder of the golden days of motoring. For the younger generation, it's an introduction to the elegance and sophistication of classic design. The Jaguar E-Type bridges the gap between past and present, showing that while technology may evolve, the essence of beauty remains unchanged.
The E-Type's beauty is undeniable. From the moment it was unveiled, it captured the hearts and imaginations of car enthusiasts and casual admirers alike. Its design is a masterclass in automotive aesthetics, a perfect blend of form and function that has stood the test of time. Its long bonnet hints at the power that lies beneath, a promise of performance that the car more than delivers on. This elongated front end is not just for show. It houses a powerful engine that roars to life with a turn of the key, ready to take on any road, while its curves flow effortlessly from front to rear. These smooth flowing lines are not just a visual treat, they are a testament to the car's aerodynamic efficiency. The E-Type was designed to slice through the air with minimal resistance, enhancing both its speed and fuel efficiency. The headlights, set back into the bodywork, give the car a feline appearance, like a predator ready to pounce. This design choice adds a sense of aggression and readiness to the car's overall look, making it appear as though it is always poised for action. Every detail, from the chrome bumpers to the wire wheels, adds to the E-Type's allure. These elements are not just decorative, they serve functional purposes as well. The chrome bumpers provide protection while adding a touch of elegance, and the wire wheels are both lightweight and strong, contributing to the car's performance. The design is both elegant and aerodynamic. This dual focus on beauty and functionality is what sets the E-Type apart from other cars of its era. It was a car that looked as good as it performed, a rare feat in the automotive world. The low sloping roofline not only looks stunning, but also helps the car cut through the air with minimal resistance. This design choice enhances the car's speed and stability, making it a joy to drive at high speeds. Even the door handles, recessed into the bodywork, were designed to improve airflow. This attention to detail is what makes the E-Type so special. Every element of the car was carefully considered and crafted to enhance its performance and aesthetics. The E-Type is a car that was as beautiful as it was functional, a rare combination in the automotive world. It was a car that could turn heads with its looks and leave other cars in the dust with its performance. But it's more than just the individual elements that make the E-Type so special. It's the way these elements come together to create a cohesive whole. The car is a symphony of design, with each part playing its role to perfection. It's the way they all come together in perfect harmony. This harmony is what gives the E-Type its timeless appeal. It is a car that looks as good today as it did when it was first unveiled, a true classic in every sense of the word. This is a car that was designed with passion and attention to detail, and it shows in every curve and crease. The designers poured their hearts and souls into this car, and it is evident in every aspect of its design. No wonder Enzo Ferrari himself called it the most beautiful car ever made. This high praise from one of the most respected figures in the automotive world is a testament to the E-Type's enduring appeal and its place in the pantheon of automotive greats.
The E-Type's interior is as impressive as its exterior. Slide into the low-slung seats, and you're enveloped in a world of luxury and craftsmanship. The smell of leather fills the air, a reminder of the car's heritage. The dashboard, with its array of dials and gauges, is a work of art in itself. The three-spoke steering wheel, wrapped in leather, fits perfectly in your hands. The gear lever, topped with a wooden knob, falls instinctively to hand. This is a driver's car, a car that makes you feel connected to the road. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the chrome accents on the dashboard, speaks to the E-Type's craftsmanship. This is a car that was built to last, a testament to the quality of British engineering. Even today, over half a century later, the E-Type's interior still feels special, a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and enjoy the simple pleasure of driving.
Section 4. The heart of a Jaguar engine and performance. The E-Type's beauty is more than skin deep. This iconic car, often hailed as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, has an equally impressive heart beating beneath its sleek exterior. Under the bonnet lies a powerful engine that gives the car its legendary performance. The engineering marvel that powers the E-Type is a testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence and innovation. The sound of the engine roaring to life is enough to send shivers down your spine. It's a symphony of mechanical precision and raw power. A sound that has thrilled car enthusiasts for decades. It's a sound that embodies power and performance. A sound that tells you this car is something special. The roar of the E-Type's engine is not just noise. It's a declaration of its racing heritage and engineering prowess. The E-Type was available with a range of engines, each designed to deliver a unique driving experience. From the early 3.8-liter straight-six to the later, more powerful 4.2-liter engine, each variant offered something special. But even the entry-level 3.8-liter straight-six could propel the car to a top speed of over 150 miles per hour. This was a remarkable feat for its time, making the E-Type one of the fastest production cars in the world. That made it one of the fastest production cars in the world at the time. The E-Type's performance on the track was equally impressive, with its speed and agility earning it numerous accolades and a place in the annals of automotive history. The larger 4.2-liter engine, introduced later, offered even more power and torque, enhancing the car's already formidable performance. This engine variant solidified the E-Type's reputation as a true performance icon, cementing the E-Type's status as a true performance icon. With its increased power and torque, the 4.2-liter engine allowed the E-Type to deliver exhilarating acceleration and top-end speed, making it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. But the E-Type wasn't just about straight-line speed. Its engineering excellence extended to its handling and agility, making it a joy to drive on any road. Its independent suspension and disc brakes gave it handling that was as impressive as its performance. These features allowed the E-Type to navigate corners with precision and confidence, providing a driving experience that was both thrilling and safe. This was a car that could tackle winding country roads with ease, offering a blend of comfort and performance that was unmatched by its contemporaries. A car that was both thrilling and rewarding to drive. The E-Type's responsive steering and balanced chassis made it a driver's delight, whether on a leisurely drive through the countryside or pushing the limits on a racetrack. The E-Type wasn't just a pretty face. It was a true driver's car, designed to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Its combination of beauty, performance, and engineering excellence set it apart from other sports cars of its era. A car that could hold its own against the best sports cars of its day. Whether on the road or the track, The E-Type's performance and handling made it a formidable competitor, earning it a place in the pantheon of automotive legends.